Today is the 13th of July 2022. This is the last elevator to be filmed in on Paasikivenkatu. But there's also like the building 1 staircase we haven't been in yet. And then there's a B4 ones not far from here. 2 more. So close from here, there are like 3 more.
Yeah.
But this is building 14. And this is completely different from buildings from 6 to 10. Where they have the alto fixtures. This is Kone. But then this is not novel. The novel ones are only 2.
Yeah.
Filmed above of them. And there's always 2000 in building 18. The best is 4 person to hit 20 rooms. It's here in Lahti, Finland. It was built in 1954, modernized in 1988. And it's in SH 5682. But the basement floors locked, 10 floors in total. We'll be expecting it next year, 2023, turned 65 years old in 2019, modernization will be 35 years old in the next year, 2023. This is still very nice, but still a small disappointment because it wasn't a novel.
Yeah.
Like those 16 and 20 that we filmed.
Yeah.
Because they were modernized in early 1999 with no fixtures.
Yeah.
But still much better than Delta or KSS.
Inspected by Xavier, maintained by Kone.
And also still better than those 2000.
Yeah.
That's well disappointed. That's it. Thank you very much.
That's